you are. So you're plenty used to big Ikea stores, I'm assuming. Are you?
I live here in Ottawa since 1975.
Oh.
I'm a new resident since 2 years.
So tell me why you guys lined up today.
Because we were at the Swedish club, we were singing the Swedish anthem.
Ah, but you're gonna get in some shopping too?
Yes, of course.
Yes, and what are you looking to buy today?
Candles and food, Swedish food.
Candles and Swedish food. And yourself?
All the food, and I've already got some candles here.
Okay. Tell me, did you line up today?
I did, but not for as long as some people. I wasn't here for 5 days like that first lady.
What time did you arrive at today?
Just about 8 o'clock.
And so you've gotten in pretty quickly.
Yeah, it was good. They sang the Canadian national anthem, the Swedish national anthem. It was pretty nice.
So why are you here today?
A couple things. I always have things to buy at Ikea, and this store has more stock than the other store, twice as much. But also I spent the last year in Sweden, so it's kind of like homecoming.
Oh, so what particular items are you hoping to pick up today?
I'm looking to get a Unis chair for my daughter and a small white office chair.
Perfect. All right, are you going to pick up some meatballs?
Quite possibly I'll have those for lunch.
And we have City Hall columnist Joanne Chianello.
I'm going to open my mystery card.
What did you, oh, you got a mystery card.
Yes, the guy behind me, Anton,
Yes?
he's a British guy who works at the Swedish Embassy. He got $100. So
You're kidding.
What did I get?
Does everybody get a mystery card?
Oh, excuse me, wait a minute. Oh!